Alrighty guys, welcome back. Putting the Rancho 3.5 level lift on the 2020 Dodge Ram. Just about an hour in here. Got the tie rod off in the front. Got the caliper off, it's suspended so it's not pulling on the cable. The upper ball joint on this guy, I actually had to use my pickle fork because driving it in between the joint here actually puts pressure on it, and then you give it a good tap on the edge and it'll come out. Not a big fan of that if you're going to be reusing this guy here, but we're putting a new control arm up there anyway, so didn't really mess it up, just kind of scuffed it a little. But now that everything's out, good to go. I just got to take out the bolt for the control arm, the 3 nuts on the top of the strut tower, and then the lower bolt on the lower control arm, and then the strut will come out, and then I'll put the new one in there. I did loosen or take out the nut on the end of the axle shaft, so that's going to be pushed in, so that way I'm not yanking my axle out of the carrier up front, so that keeps everything where you want it. And then yeah, when we start putting it back together, I'll just do a little bit of run through on this side and then we'll go to the other side. Okay, catch you in a bit.